Hello everyone, it's Peter here with an update on the 18th of November 2022, guys. So today I can say it's a happy day. Lots of work. You will see this in the next 2 weeks. This bank will be fixed on the 4th, and on the 3rd will be first part for this battery power bank. Now it will be 2 episodes. We get Onkyo. It blown up some speakers, so we need to check it out. What's wrong? There is one speaker as well. We will see what's wrong with it. Either will be a fix or no fix, but should be a fix. We will see what's wrong because I've got no idea. But that will be everything after 4th. Yeah, because till 4th we've got this bank. So that's what it is. I'll tell you the names of the videos as well. I don't want to make this update too long, but you deserve to know if you watch this YouTube channel and you care. So yeah, I'll tell you. So the laptop before that on the 2nd and LG TV, 2 LG TVs with the same fault, and that's part 1. I don't have yet part 2, nor I have time to finish it off because these are my ones, so probably will take us another few weeks to get over them. Okay, but for this month, it's on the 30th. Was I wrong with the screen from AliExpress for Lenovo? And shocking, the screen from AliExpress for over 127 came cracked. So those you will see here. Then Xbox One S slowed down. Can we fix it? Model 1681 on the 29th. So these are 2 parts actually. To not make it too long, I made it into Android 10 box X96Q with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. That's a review. It should be 4K, so you will see how it went. On the 26th, iPhone battery 8 and display replacement. On the 25th, the first part of it, LG TV part 2 and part 1, finding a fault. Fix is on the 2nd. We've used MOSFETs from Samsung TV to that, so that's 23rd and 24th. Then on the 26th, a must watch about Inte.Team project in 5 minutes. Guys, please watch it. That's only on the 22nd, so that's a few days ahead, as we've got 18th now. That's on the 21st is the first part. Just few minutes, guys, it's just few minutes. On the 22nd is continuation. I didn't record part 3 yet. And on the 20th, I bought Hitachi 58 Smart TV for 20 for profit, but can I fix it? And there is another on the 19th, so that's mean tomorrow from today I will release this video ASAP, so before the next video you will see it. So that's it, guys. We've got as well this laptop. I already found what's wrong. Battery, it's shorting, that's why you can't start it up. Yes, so I will record a video as well about it. It's supporting 8 GB of RAM, so that's nice. There is one more laptop somewhere. I don't see it here, so you'll see it. So there will be 2 laptops at least. Those TVs which you've seen, this battery bank, and other stuff. Maybe we'll find some interesting topics for the tech updates, so you will have some tech updates as well, what we are finding interesting on the market, what's happening. But yeah, those are pretty much repairs. Now I've got a Lenovo Tab to replace a power socket, micro USB-C, and I've got a opto isolator for AEG red mixer over there. Yes, so that's what it is. And I received a bunch of stuff. I received another laptop. Don't know what's wrong with it. I've got no idea. I know it's a faulty one. I got somewhere I need to have one more laptop, which I can't see for now, for a customer. I don't remember the fault, but that's what it is. I received for free some screens. Should be not cracked. Should be good screens. From smallest like this, yes, to the bigger ones like this. Doesn't looks cracked to me, and again too small, about 10 inches. So yes, I received some screens. Happy days. And guys, I got tons to do. I received 2 hard drives for parts. These are for parts as well. So we need magnets from them, and boards will be available at Inte.Team website in the e-commerce web store once it will be finished. So that's it, guys. That's everything. Another few weeks and there should be Google Pixel, iPhone to repair as well. So a lot of stuff. I think I will do months ahead of the videos, and then I will start to do 2 videos per day because I've got so much stuff to do, and no way I can do a video a day, because if I will be doing it I will record for like half a year up front, so it's no point. I want to do like up to 2 weeks, about, you know, to 1 month, and I don't want to do so much. So now you know what will be in the next month on the videos. But that's it. That's everything in this video today, guys. Thank you for watching. If possible, please do like and or subscribe, and for those who've done it, that's likes to you. Yes, and guys, if possible, let's fix them all. Take care and bye bye.